In the expansive realm of woodworking, where towering bookshelves, handcrafted beds, and intricate cabinetry often define mastery, there lies a quieter but profoundly significant beginning: the art of designing tiny wooden crafts. These small, precise, and often elegant pieces serve not only as beautiful additions to modern homes, but as the essential stepping stones for countless artisans embarking on their creative journeys. More than just functional decor, tiny wooden crafts represent the delicate intersection of imagination, resourcefulness, and resilience, acting as the entry point into a craft tradition that spans generations. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking wonders designing a tiny wooden craft ideas for your modern homes and for selling. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. For many artisans, the path to woodworking begins not with grand ambition, but with a simple idea: a candle holder, a trinket box, a minimalist planter, or a key rack. These small objects are approachable. They require less wood, fewer tools, and minimal workspace. Yet, they offer immense room for expression. In shaping something so compact, the artisan begins to discover the intimacy of the material, the texture of grain, the behavior of different woods under blade and sandpaper, the patience needed to coax beauty from raw form. Each small item becomes a lesson in balance, proportion, and finish. This is why tiny crafts carry profound significance. They allow beginners to begin. In the safety of modest scale, artisans learn without overwhelming cost or consequence. The mistakes made on a 6-inch jewelry tray are not burdens, they are teachers. They reveal the subtle demands of joinery, the importance of symmetry, and the discipline of detail. And with each finished piece, confidence grows. A sense of purpose forms. Tiny crafts become tangible proof of potential, physical affirmations that beauty and function can emerge from one's own two hands. But their impact extends far beyond practice and personal development. Tiny wooden crafts are remarkably aligned with modern home aesthetics. Today's interior spaces, especially urban apartments and compact houses, require design that is both space-efficient and style-conscious. Gone are the days of large, overbearing furnishings. Instead, homeowners seek accents, pieces that offer personality without crowding the room. A slim, handcrafted wall hook, a rustic wooden coaster set, a desktop organizer carved with geometric lines. These items bring the warmth and integrity of wood into the home in ways that feel thoughtful, subtle, and modern. Moreover, these tiny crafts often carry emotional weight. They're perfect for gifting, small tokens that feel meaningful, personal, and timeless. Unlike mass-produced plastic or metal accessories, a handmade wooden keepsake communicates intention. It says, "This was chosen with care." It also reflects the values of today's conscious consumer: sustainability, quality, and story. These pieces are not just bought, they're adopted into daily life, used and appreciated with each passing day. Their presence, though small, is continuous. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. This emotional resonance is a powerful tool for artisans hoping to sell their work. In the marketplace, tiny wooden crafts perform exceptionally well because they meet several key buyer desires: affordability, utility, aesthetic value, and gift appropriateness. Whether on Etsy, at a local market, or through a personal online store, these items attract attention because they are easy to love and easy to take home. A beautifully designed business card holder or incense tray may not command the price of a large dresser, but it sells more frequently, reaches more hands, and spreads the name of the artisan further and faster. This high turnover gives woodworkers something invaluable: momentum. It fuels not just income, but reputation. It allows artisans to gather reviews, learn from customer feedback, and hone their branding. Each sale becomes a seed, planting future opportunities. A client who buys a handcrafted phone stand may return months later for a custom bookshelf. A wedding guest who receives a wooden coaster may inquire about larger decor commissions. In this way, tiny crafts are not small at all, they are doors. Designing these pieces also requires creativity under constraints, which nurtures a maker's ingenuity. Working with limited space and resources, artisans must think deeply about function and form. A small craft must solve a problem or offer utility within mere inches. It must look beautiful and be practical. These challenges push designers to innovate. They explore multifunctionality, a wall hook that's also a mail sorter. They experiment with new shapes, joinery techniques, and finishes. This innovation becomes a hallmark of their style, setting them apart in a competitive marketplace. Another layer of significance lies in the relationship these small projects build between maker and material. Working on a tiny scale demands closeness. There is no room for neglect or approximation. The hand must be steady. The eye must be keen. Every curve, every joint, every sanded edge must be intentional. Through this careful labor, artisans grow attuned to their craft. They become not just woodworkers, but stewards of detail, balance, and design integrity. These skills, honed on small projects, become foundational when moving toward larger, more complex work. For modern homes, these tiny wooden wonders bring peace and personality. They warm minimalist spaces with natural textures. They soften the angles of modern design with organic curves. They serve everyday purposes, holding keys, displaying photos, storing jewelry, while reminding us that even functional items can be art. This seamless blending of decor and utility reflects a larger shift in interior preferences, one where every object matters and even the smallest piece deserves thought and craftsmanship. In the life of a woodworker, designing tiny crafts is not just a phase, it is a pilgrimage. It is the early walk where hands learn to shape, where minds learn to solve, and where hearts learn to speak through grain and line. The significance of these pieces is not diminished by their size, it is enhanced by it. Because within every small creation lies the potential for great impact, to bring joy, to make money, to begin a legacy. In conclusion, tiny wooden crafts are powerful not in spite of their size, but because of it. They offer a profound entry into the woodworking world, teaching essential skills, enabling creative expression, and opening up real avenues for income and artistic growth. For modern homes, they provide beautiful, functional touches that elevate space without overwhelming it. And for artisans, they are the beginning of something enduring, proof that from small pieces, great possibilities emerge. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking wonders, designing a tiny wooden craft ideas for your modern homes and for selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.